Hello, my night wolves over here, and oh god, this light is not great. So today I have actually it's like nighttime, and yeah, today I have some of my first Beyblade burst items. Got these from Toy World, Mr. Toy World, and first ever Beyblade burst stuff. I got this launcher. I've been working with the Beyblade burst app, and let me basically, sorry if I haven't been on YouTube 3 months because I was taking a big break, and well, it's quite complicated. I'm sorry that I haven't been on YouTube because I was waiting to get a new laptop, but I didn't realize that I could have a chance. Right now it's the 10th. That's what my phone says. But be right back. I need to open my launcher up. Okay, I'm back, and I unboxed this launcher, and if you want the code, there's the code. I should cover that. Nah, I'm not going to. This is the code for this launcher if you don't have it if you play the app. And this has these Beyblades and these things that I don't really know. I never used this launcher before, and I guess I can use it for the first time. And now, time to open this up. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just opened the box, and it's time to get it out. Okay. These. Okay, be right back. I'll get them all out and be right back. Okay, I'm back. I couldn't find any scissors, so I had to use them. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm done, and let's put this one in the line. Here we go. Here's this one this one has a switch thing. But first, let's get this off. Go. Left hand very shaky right now. Here's the code if you want it. And here's this one's not a switch one. So, there we go. Here's the code for this one. I have to hold it. Here's the code. And these things. These things work. I am not familiar with these. Do they go on these? Where do the ring things go? I don't know. But first, let's test my new base out. So guys, I can't really test these things that I tried, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys like Beyblade. I'm out, and when I get a new laptop, that's when I post videos. Bye.